Equivalent fractions 1. When you are asked to write down fractions that are equivalent to 1/8, please remember to multiply the top and bottom most portions of the fraction by the same number. For example, if I multiply by 2, I get 2 times 1 as 2, and 2 times 8 as 16, 2/16. If I multiply by 4, 4 times 1 is 4, divided by 4 times 8 is 32, 4/32s. If I multiply by 6, I get 6 times 1 is 6 divided by 6 times 8 is 48. So, please remember there can be infinite number of fractions that are equivalent to 1/8. Now, here's a practice exercise for you. You need to write down 3 fractions that are equivalent to 3/8. Pause the video, write down the fractions, then play back the video to check back your answers. So, your answers will be correct if you have multiplied both top and bottom portions of the fraction by the same number. For example, if I multiply by 3, I get 3 times 3 is 9, by 3 times 8 is 24, 9/24s. If I multiply it by 7, I get 7 times 3, which is 21, divided by 7 times 8, which is 56. If I multiply by 10, I get 10 times 3, which is 30, divided 10 times 8, which is 80, and so on. So remember, you will have infinite number of fractions that are equivalent to 3/8.